Have you been searching for something that so many just can't find? A ranch home where you can live an easier lifestyle? Well, you found it. Welcome to Sippo Reserves, an all-ranch community designed for your next chapter. Each home is built with care, featuring beautiful stone exteriors that provide lasting curb appeal. You won't ever have to worry about shoveling snow or mowing the lawn again. We take care of that for you. No stairs, no hassle, just a home that allows you to take it easy. No matter which floor plan you choose, you'll find comfort and simplicity with open concept floor plans and a large kitchen island at the center of it all. Perfect for entertaining and making precious memories with loved ones. When you step outside your back door, relaxing will be easy with your available covered porch, keeping you shaded from the hot sun and dry on rainy days. Plus, fences are allowed, so your four-legged friend can roam the yard without the leash. You can enjoy this quiet, serene setting and still be close to everywhere you love to shop and dine. If you love to travel, the Akron-Canton Airport is just a short drive away. Everything you need is within reach. Another added benefit is the money you'll save. From the top-notch energy efficiency to low taxes, one of the lowest tax rates in Stark County, you'll have more money each month to do what you love. Want to know how you can take advantage of making the dream of living at Sippo Reserves a reality? Take action today and click the orange button to see how this community can make living that much better.